Hey everyone, it's Todd. It's April 29th, and I thought I'd make a fast video. I had to change over my fuel line on my Cub Cadet. I got an old lawnmower that I just kept. I took the blades off, the deck off, and my kids and us, we use it to haul the wagon and a bunch of other stuff around the yard. It's kind of nice having an extra little tractor for the yard. So anyway, it's an older one. Heck, it's over 20 years old, and it runs great. But the fuel lines, this is the old fuel, part of the old fuel line that was on it. It was attached just up by the carburetor where the fuel filter is, and it ran all the way around the engine, then down underneath and you'll see the photos of it, and it goes underneath the tractor to the fuel tank. And the original ones are pretty hefty duty, stiff, they're good, well-made hoses, but after a while, especially with the fuel we have, they don't hold up after a while, and you'll have almost get spongy, almost like it leaks here and there. So it was time to replace it. Well, I got online, and they come with kits with the fuel filter and all this, and it's cheaper made. It's still fuel line. I mean, it does its job, but it's real flexible. I don't think it's as quality as what the old one was. But anyway, I got the new filter on, and I measured it out, and I attached it so I could use it. But what I didn't have, one of the things I wanted to talk about is when I went on Amazon, they had these attachments, and they're basically car body parts, plastic attachments and stuff, and it's like a zip line. I mean, I could have used zip cords, but they had holes specifically made to put these in to hold that fuel line in place underneath the carriage of the lawnmower. And so I wanted to go back to, I like these, and I like the way they're made for the holes, and they held that line in place. Well, once again, you buy a bag full of these, and it's just under $10. But so I got searching on Amazon, and they had they're called car retainer clips and plastic rivets, all sorts of fasteners, plastic, and this one is over 450 pieces of these plastic parts. And on Amazon, I mean, it fits all sorts of GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chrysler cars, but also, for tractors and stuff like that and other items. But, $19 with tax, free shipping. So I went with this 465 piece setup, and I'll put some information, show you. I got pictures of what came in the box, but what I was after were these zips, and they fit in a designated hole to hold that in place, and they worked out fine. And what I also did, I had some of this plastic cover, and you can use this to protect all sorts of stuff, electrical lines and stuff, but it's real cheap, and you can buy it on Amazon as well for just a couple bucks. But you can get a long tube of this, and I enclosed that fuel line in this, and then zipped. It, which you'll see pictures of, and I thought that would protect it more from getting snagged, or the kids getting off and on lawnmower. I don't know if anything would catch on it, but this fuel line is so flimsy anymore, I just didn't feel safe with it. So anyway, I covered that. It worked out really good, and for 20 bucks basically I changed my filter and fuel line and stuff. So I just thought I'd share that with you. It's really, it takes you 10 minutes to do a fuel line change on a lawnmower. So if you have a leak and it's an older lawnmower, chances are it's probably the fuel line. Those fuel lines just don't last forever. So and while you're changing the fuel line, you might as well change your fuel filter as well. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I thought it was a good purchase. I mean, it's just got a variety, and then it came with some tools too to help you. Like I had a full-size van, and I always had a panel on my door always popping off at the bottom there, and I went to Napa and bought some of these snaps, and I should have probably, and I didn't have the tool neither, so I used a screwdriver. But I mean, this kit comes with all these tools, which I would have came in handy, these body tools. And I thought for under 20 bucks, that's not a bad deal. So it's something to think about. If you guys are interested, have any questions, comments about it, throw them in the line, and I'll get back with you. And I got some videos coming up. I'm going to make a short one about some post hole diggers I restored, and about different types of post hole diggers. But you guys have a great weekend, and May's around the corner for the flowers and garden. So garden's all in. I'll have to send you some pictures of those too. Hope everyone's doing well. I've been doing a lot of restorations on the bigger yard tools like shovels and post hole diggers and stuff like that. So I haven't done any small tools, but I do have a bunch to do. Haven't gone to any auctions this year because of the virus, but I've been organizing and getting these odd jobs done, and I thought I'd just share some with you. So guys, have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.